being kind of surprised because the one that works out.
I think, for lack of a better phrase, I don't like somebody like if you open it in.
I swore, I never asked him if he was going to do that. It's like, oh, I just decided I can't go on.
So I don't. This is my son. He is looking at me work. Yeah. Oh my God. He just came over here to lay down with me, and I was gonna get up, and now I don't know if I'm gonna get up. Funny enough, that wasn't one of the crazier things to me.
That is a crazy thing. Because I'm like, you gonna get in this and figure out. And I feel like there was something else that I heard, but I don't know exactly what was said, so I can't, because I was in the bathroom.
Yeah, I've been noticing that with when I stopped eating a certain kind of food, the cough got better. But we haven't, we just been eating. Rock. Hello.
I think I have to clean up the house the 10 minutes from the contract. And what I want to get done display-wise, probably another round of garlands. The laundry needs to be picked up, but